Hello guys, and welcome to your very first Java's beginner lesson, and I am going to be teaching you guys about Java. So I just want to start off by saying that Java is a very basic language, and it's the basis of all programming languages. So comparatively it's pretty easy if you compare it to C++, and it's easy to understand, so I don't think it's going to be a problem learning it. And also we need to remember that this is a very vast language, so the more you learn, the better it is. So I'm going to be starting off by saying that I'm going to be talking about objects right now today in this lesson. So what are objects? Objects are just things that you make make in a program, and they can simply range from real life objects like a phone, a lamp, a TV, or a table, etc. And they can range from real life objects to a digital object like a button, or anything that shows functionality can be called an object, right? Now, how do you define an object? Right, so suppose I just created an object called a phone. Okay, now how do you need to define it? So what you do is you put the definitions in a class. Now what are classes? Classes are nothing but just blueprints of an object that are used to define the methods and the properties of that particular object. So let's say I have defined something called as a phone, right? I defined something as a phone, and so what all do we need to define in that? So a phone has a screen, it has a color, right? And the functionality like a RAM or a processor, and etc. So all of these things will be defined in a class. So classes are just blueprints in which we define an object. That's it for this tutorial. Oh yeah, one more thing I would like to say, that I hope you're using a good software for this Java software programming, because I would recommend you guys to use either Eclipse or IntelliJ, because I'm using IntelliJ, or anything. Yeah, even BlueJ will work for this, or even Notepad++, but try to download Eclipse or IntelliJ, it's better now. So that's it for this tutorial. Next tutorial we're going to be talking about a lot more things. I'm going to be talking to you guys about all of this public class bacon, all this, what does all this mean, and you guys don't need to worry about a thing. Just listen to me, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.